Famano. Thank you. More fire. Thank you. More fire. More fire. Me da say sister, abotre. See ya. Hey, na political zone for my son amote. Yay. Ajinsem. Yay, ajinsem o kwesi apia de assemble ba. Kwesi apia me de assemble bo. Em say we sabato. Mami fresh sabato. On me man be kakre bi ne empon. Sister now friend and they be a friend why they be a friend na my fire sa jinifo wasia sa no utumi ja wo ni no wo se ho e ba be di obi papa atem South Africa for yetie mo kasa South Africa for yetie mo
obana krentiri na kude tani ya
kasa
yo for Kuni ya sabatu nega say ese me ko pension mo ma wujim for 1 week as I'm a life.
Yo.
Enti fresh jana no na utija.
Mate.
Na Ghana form ya ne to be bia o ya na minti Ghana for ase. Ya ma nkran kiti another confobia tie sika ma sankwawi. Elo nguso sembi na omen propaganda no mo kafatia abaya wajiso enyimsha wonane ajempa magana etiefo amuchemi enye Ghana formanti ya na yedede eya freeze country ipa acha wotia broche untiata
ntia
ipa acha wotia broche ekroma akura South Africa ametia ye the pass ene ye krowi edi kroa ye wa broche bi edu ha ye wa broche bi edu ha enso akoba senya na wotu enye nso nyale na wotu yenye kania pride yenye na wotu 2015 na kufa ndo kuta Ghana na wuni kania na yesu South Africa for kania sata mto mama ene netia kunyaso ucha mama na nado eme Ghana wo kania South Africa ni kania ene na nado mo ma waye me see mun kantra me se ne duo Ghana ene ne na nado die na waye no eno no die enye papa na na asa die no Ghana no ene ye papa ni asa no eye die enye mun kantra me ne to ma nkora bi trema sa ekura te fo ma na muku social media so na no ma je sa mo de mo social media fame NDC fo empeni fo bi etimienti na mu kura te fo ni de ye kwati ba betamo o mu ku mu etimienti ni e ta mo se mu kwa politics na NDC ni meka se fame na be di ba o mi atem fame na be di na na do atem enti ma me ko peni ni no pa NDC atem mo ti mo Ghana fo ya na me tenu me bi o me tiase oro fo me Ghana ni abra ni fio him pa na me ka sei me so na me ni abra me comment people enya bi ko Ghana no abedie no we policies kura mo na so Ghana fo so
David
abedie no abai policies mon kanche policies NDC fo tinya ya magana ya say policies so
why you think even the second capital which is Kumasi and the Takali the other time no the show anyhow no about 7% of Kumasi people the capital is something in the Saturday is just 1%. Second capital, and the third capital, you can boom. I think finally after,
Yeah.
we are developing your mind. After, and can that way, we're looking at your years and attacking a French class. This is class 1, 2, 14. What's on the class here? Do you even have to talk against this thing? You don't even have to talk against it. You even have to clap for them, sir. Only you know we say class it. I'm just here to class it. Now, Queen, you're so a new people in the ticket there, and you're stable, and then you're doing my business, and they me up to cut out all the you don't want to be fast. That's why I can't develop your name. What's the important one?
I don't know, me never.
Never cry. You wouldn't make a bill. My food for possibly and on the card on it. You really are introduced. What car will pay you? Let me know.
What? Enyakumayari, why? Hello, sir. Hello, Mpacho, good evening.
Oh, good evening, Pascal.
Yeah, Mpacho, you ciao. You're on political zone, I'm Yantonka.
Oh, me also. Hello?
Yes, Mpacho, me Yantonka, why? Kasa, you.
Okay.